stop. If you own a Ford F-150 with the 5.0L Coyote V8, if you own a Ford F-150 with the 5.0L Coyote V8, you need to turn off your radio and listen to your engine at idle. Do you hear a rhythmic metallic ticking? Most dealerships will tell you it's normal operating noise. They'll say it's just the high-pressure fuel injectors. But for many owners, that sound is the first sign of a $10,000 disaster. Today we're going beyond the surface to reveal why Ford's most legendary modern V8 is failing prematurely, and exactly what you must do to save yours. The Coyote has evolved through 4 generations, and they are not created equal. While the Gen 1 and Gen 2, 2011-2017, are known for being nearly bulletproof, the Gen 3 introduced in 2018 brought a massive change: plasma wire arc spray liners instead of traditional iron sleeves. This was designed for weight reduction and performance, but it opened the door to a notorious problem: excessive oil consumption. Some owners report losing a quart of oil every 1,000 miles. If you aren't checking your dipstick weekly, your engine is running dry, and your internal components are grinding into scrap metal. The Coyote relies on a complex variable cam timing system. This system is powered entirely by oil pressure. When your oil level drops, even slightly, or when you use the wrong oil viscosity, your cam phasers begin to fail. This is the source of that dreaded knock or tick. It's not just an annoying sound, it's the sound of your timing being off sync. If a phaser pins or fails completely, you're looking at a catastrophic valve-to-piston collision. This is why expert mechanics warn that the factory-recommended 10,000-mile oil change is a death sentence for these engines. We see it in the comments every day. Should I have bought the 3.5L EcoBoost instead? Here's the brutal truth. The EcoBoost has turbo lag and complex cooling issues, but the Coyote's simplicity is disappearing. With the introduction of cylinder deactivation in the newer models, the V8 is becoming just as complex as its turbocharged cousins. To reach that 300,000-mile high-mileage club, you can no longer rely on 1990s maintenance habits. You are driving a high-performance racing engine disguised as a work truck. If you want to keep your F-150 out of the scrapyard, follow these 3 non-negotiable rules. First, shorten your oil intervals to 5,000 miles maximum, and use a high-quality, full-synthetic 5W30 instead of the thin 5W20 Ford suggests for fuel economy. Second, install a high-quality oil catch can. This prevents oil vapor from gunking up your intake valves, a common issue in direct injection engines. Third, listen to your truck. If the tick gets louder when the engine is warm, get your oil pressure tested immediately. A $20 oil analysis kit today can save you from a $10,000 engine swap tomorrow. The Coyote 5.0L is still one of the best engines ever built, but it requires an owner who is smarter than the average driver. You have a gold mine in your garage, but only if you maintain it with precision. Don't let your F-150 become another statistic on a used car lot. If you value your truck and your wallet, join the F-150 Garage. Subscribe now for the technical truths that dealerships won't tell you. Make sure you protect your investment. We'll see you in the next one.